Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Search Console sitemaps for ongoing SEO health, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Search Console sitemaps for ongoing SEO health, begin by logging into your Google Search Console account. Select the appropriate property for the website you want to manage. In the left-hand menu, navigate to the Sitemaps section. You will see a field labeled Add a new sitemap. Enter the URL of your sitemap, which often ends with sitemap.xml. Click the Submit button to add your site. After a few moments, check the status of your submitted sitemap. If it's successfully processed, you'll see a confirmation message. If there are any error messages, review them carefully for troubleshooting. Next, ensure that your sitemap is regularly updated with new content. Use a third-party tool or your website's CMS to automate sitemap updates. Periodically revisit the Sitemaps section in Search Console to monitor the status. Check for any indexing errors or warnings related to your sitemap. Address any issues by fixing errors directly in your website's code or content. To help improve your SEO health, analyze your sitemap's performance over time. Look for metrics on how many pages are indexed and any that are excluded. Use this data to adjust your content strategy, if necessary. In line with ongoing SEO, consider submitting a sitemap whenever you launch a significant update. Continuously improve your website's overall SEO by keeping your sitemap current and accurate. Take note of any major algorithm updates by Google that could impact your indexing. Stay informed by following SEO news relevant to your niche. By maintaining your sitemap in Search Console, you help ensure optimal search engine visibility. Regularly review your sitemap for any outdated or irrelevant URLs. Make sure all submitted URLs lead to active and useful content. This ongoing process supports your website's health and improves user experience. Follow these steps consistently for long-term SEO benefits. Proper sitemap configuration is a crucial aspect of a successful SEO strategy. Monitor your progress and stay proactive about updates and improvements. Establishing this routine will pay off and sustain search engine results. Remember, the health of your site directly correlates to how well it is indexed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.